Benefits and uses of kukui nut oil. Benefits: increases hair strength, prevents dandruff, controls eczema, moisturizes dry skin, heals wound, minimizes appearance of wrinkles, lowers inflammation, acts as analgesic, boosts immune system. Alba Botanica, Hawaiian body oil, kukui nut review. Description: deep moisturizing, to nurture and smooth, hypo-allergenic, pH balanced, exotic elixir. Find sweet saturation with this nutrient-rich, super smoothing, fast-absorbing body oil. Kukui nut, high in essential fatty acids, works its magic to nourish, hydrate and protect from moisture loss. Sweet almond, coconut, flaxseed and sunflower oils douse skin in silky perfection. Suggested use: after bathing while skin is damp, smooth a few drops over body. For massage, glide over skin. For a moisturizing bath, add 1/2 ounce to warm tub water. Warnings: for external use only. Avoid contact with eyes. Keep out of reach of children. No animal testing. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.